Good morning. This is Dr. Littlefield. I wanted to just check in with you a little bit about the future of our semester. We are going online, as you know, and I will produce some videos as we go along, maybe some PowerPoints, but basically the rest of the semester you're going to be focused on that final project. I'll probably have you record something for that final project, just as you would if we were in the classroom to present in front of your peers. And I'll give you instructions on how to do that as well. One thing I want you to think about is to investigate some of the other creative ways you can do things. I might have you do a TikTok video. I might have you do a photo essay. I might have you write an essay. It's kind of what you're comfortable with and what you want to be working on. We're probably not going to do the history of presentations that we had first said, but I do want you to be able to research something that you can produce, like I said, a little TikTok video or something of that nature. So I hope you all are doing well, and I hope that you will contact me via email, through the chats on Georgia View. Come to me during my office hours, which are the same, except I'll be on this computer instead of in my office in Environmental Hort. Again, I hope you're all doing well, and we will get through the semester as best we can. Thanks.